All right, so hopefully that experiment with the volume and water went well for you today and you were able to discover the volume of a sphere. I know this one is a little bit challenging because it doesn't exactly fit into a cylinder. It might have a little bit of overflow, but hopefully it worked out and you were able to battle through that. Let's double check just to make sure you were correct in what you discovered. You should have gotten 4/3 pi r cubed, all right? Again, so I'm going to write it like I will be writing or using the formula, and when I use it, I will write it like this. All right, 4 pi r cubed divided by 3, okay? It's a little bit easier that way instead of multiplying by 4/3. I know a lot of you aren't the biggest fraction fans, so that's why I do that, just to make it easier on you, okay? We are going to try this first one here, so number 1, all right? Our radius is 3, so the volume is 4 pi 3 cubed over 3, okay? Again, do the top first, order of operations, 3 to the third power equals, and then times 4 divided by 3, okay? And you should end up with 36 pi units cubed. Okay, number 2. That's number 2. Okay, same thing. Volume is 4 pi times 2 to the third power all over 3. Remember your order of operations, okay? And you should get a decimal, okay? You can leave it as 32 pi over 3, or you can write it as 10.67 pi. I will accept either of those units cubed, either of those answers. All right? Okay, so now we want to find the volume of a hemisphere. Okay, a hemisphere is related to a sphere because it is half of it. All right, it's exactly half of your sphere. So when you're finding the volume of a hemisphere, you're going to find the volume of a whole sphere first, then just divide that by 2 since it is half. So we're going to treat this as if it is a whole, as if it were a whole sphere, just like that. Okay. You end up getting, I believe that's 864. Yeah, 864 pi all over 3, which is 288 pi. So that would be our volume if we were calculating it for a sphere, but since we're calculating for a hemisphere, we divide it by 2 to get 144 pi centimeters cubed. All right. That is your video for spheres, okay? Again, as always, I know this one was short, okay, but feel free to go back and rewatch any of the portions of the video before you begin your in-class work. Have a good day.